Hi, yeah, over the last year or so, these solar-powered water fountains with LED lights have become very popular. And very ingenious they are too. They charge during the day, and if it's sun enough, the fountain will work. And at night, you're rewarded with a nice light show and a water fountain for a few hours while the battery charges, while the battery's charge lasts. Only downside I found with these is when you put them in the water fountain, they just drift around, and you end up losing water over the side. They're actually supplied with these sort of plastic straws which you attach on the side, but they're so flimsy and they're unreliable. So I was racking my brain trying to think of a way around it, and come up with a rather, if I may say so, ingenious idea of using reusable cable ties. So they basically just interlock, and you can press this button there and release them and adjust them. So for a round shaped fountain, all you need is 3 cable ties connected together like this, which you can then put around the fountain and adjust like so. So you end up with these sort of extending arms or fingers which will push against the side of the water fountain and keep the fountain centralised. It actually works remarkably well as well, so that's my little innovation. So a lot of trying different things, so trying weights to weigh it down, to anchor it down, but nothing worked. So for the cost of a few pounds, a few lockable, usable cable ties, the job's a good one.